Hello everyone, Frank here again, bringing you the tutorial of Cuphead in Mugman. So we're going to start with the usual circle for the heads. And what I do is to cut and to erase the top of the circle. And for the body, I'm gonna do something just like what I did to Mickey Mouse. After all, it's the same style. So I made two circles, one overlapping the other, and these rectangles are gonna be their shorts. Old cartoon style, so they have no joints or articulations in their arms. It's all circular. So this is how I place the hands. Okay, and for the shoes we have actually a formula for them. Now I'm gonna use two lines to divide these parts, just to know where the nose is gonna be. So this is gonna be the nose line. Cuphead has a small nose, whereas Mugman has a really big one. Two big letters U for the eyes, and two ovals for the irises. In the end, they are gonna be looking like Pac-Man. Cuphead's straw is gonna be bent, and let's not forget the handle. I follow almost the same steps for Mugman, but the eyes are now full ovals. And I noticed that his mug is actually taller than Cuphead's. His straw doesn't bend. Okay, couple of lines here. And we're almost done with the basic sketch. You still have to work on the hands. And let's do it as simply as we can. Fine, so this is the basic sketch. Let's get the marker and work on the lines. that's it, we're done. Unlike our two heroes, don't forget to be careful wherever you go. And I hope you have enjoyed the video. I would love it if you could just join us for our next artistic adventure. So guys, thank you very much for getting to this point. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.